Elon Musk is firing back at the SEC, insisting in a filing that he did not violate a settlement with a tweet last month. Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman is back with us. So, Rick, this is that tweet that he put out in February about production levels.
Right.
Tell us about it. I mean, does it go against what he agreed to with the SEC?
Well, the question is not whether he got prior approval for this tweet. He did not get prior approval. That's clear. The question now is whether it was a material tweet that involved important information about the company that was not otherwise public. So the argument here that Musk is making, and it sounds a bit spacious, is that he was just kind of reiterating something that had already been out in their earnings call and in other documentation. But he actually changed his number in these tweets.
Exactly.
So he said production was going to be one thing, but then he basically clarified. I think it's fair it does seem that he did clarify it to be a little bit lower than he said in the first. But in the first instance, it would have been more than expected. So, reason to possibly buy the stock or push the stock price up. And then he came back a bit later and said, oh, no, it's really this. He's not supposed to be doing this, according to the deal that Tesla made with the SEC. And this goes back to what was clearly misrepresentation last August when he said he had a plan to take the company private at $4.20 a share, famously. He did not have that plan, and he got fined. He and Tesla both got fined for that. So a judge is now going to decide. Both sides have sort of made their case. What he's really doing is just sort of thumbing his nose at the SEC. He has said publicly, I do not respect the SEC. And he's basically saying, you're not going to tell me what to do. I'm going to tweet if I feel like tweeting.
Now, this morning, we've got Morgan Stanley cutting their price target for Tesla. They say it's hitting a, quote, air pocket in demand. Not really hurting the stock in the pre-market, though, because we saw that Tesla is actually rallying in the pre-market up 2 1/3%. What do you make of this?
This is one of the best analysts on the street, Adam Jonas. It rings true. I mean, we're actually seeing a slowdown overall in the market for car sales. And he thinks he's detected a bit of a hole in demand for Tesla products. It includes all of them, not just the Model 3. But look, basically what he reiterates is this is just going to be a volatile stock going forward. It's a roller coaster company.